Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a restore point in Windows 11 so you can protect your system before making major changes. Step 1. Open the search magnifying glass on your Windows 11 taskbar. This is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and it helps you quickly find system tools and settings. Step 2. Type in System Restore and select Create a restore point from the search results. This will open the System Properties window where you can manage your restore points. Step 3. If system protection is turned off, click the Configure button. This allows you to enable system protection for the drives you want to back up. Step 4. Slide to turn on system protection and click Apply, then OK. Turning this on ensures Windows can create restore points automatically when needed. Step 5. Click the Create button to make a new restore point. This prepares your system to save its current state for future recovery. Step 6. Name your restore point, for example, using the date or a note like Before Updates, and select Create. Giving it a clear name helps you remember why you created it. Step 7. Wait for the confirmation that the restore point was created successfully, and then select Close. This message ensures your system state is safely saved. Step 8. To restore your system to this point in the future, click the System Restore button, select the restore point, and follow the on-screen instructions. This can be very helpful if something goes wrong after changes or updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.